this lesson, I'm going to show you how to integrate your keywords on your Shopify store. So let's get started. I'm going to start with one of my products. It's a wooden phone case that I call Wood Mechanism. However, in doing my keyword research, I realized that one of the things people search for is wooden phone cases. I'm going to integrate this keyword into this product page. First, I'll start by adding it to the SEO title. To do that, I'll scroll down to Search Engine Listing Preview and click Edit Website SEO. I've decided to keep the brand name I gave this phone case in place, but put the words wooden phone case in front of it. Next, I'm going to edit my meta description. Okay, I've added the keyword to my meta description in the first sentence, beautiful wooden phone case with steampunk design. I've also moved some of the important features from the end of the meta description to the beginning. Quick snap-on, snap-off case with unique natural wood, handcrafted in Europe. I've added the remaining details about the design to the end, just in case it gets cut off. Ideally, I'd have the keyword wooden phone case in my URL as well. However, since this product is already published, I'm going to leave the URL in place. Finally, I'm going to add alt text and use the keyword there as well. Click on the image, click alt text, and then just describe the image. That's it. I've now integrated my keyword into my product page. Next, I'm going to make a collection. When I was doing my keyword research, I learned that a lot of people search for eco-friendly phone cases. I'm going to make a collection for that keyword. Since this page doesn't have an image, I'm just going to focus on using the keyword in the title tag, meta description, and URL. Now that I have my collections page made, I'm going to make sure to go and add all of my eco-friendly phone cases to this collection. Make sure you implement these on-site techniques for every page you want to rank for. You can even do it on the home page by going to Online, Store, and Preferences. So there you go. You now know exactly how to optimize your Shopify store to help you get discovered by customers and make more sales. Join me in the last module to learn off-site SEO.